Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the calendar app appear on your lock screen on Windows 11. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on your Windows Start button and you want to select Settings, select Personalization on the left side, and then on the right, go down to Lock Screen and go ahead and open that up. Where it says Lock Screen Status, choose an app to show detailed status on the lock screen. Click inside the drop down here and you can set it to calendar. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.